Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare this delicious looking stir fry. I used white mushroom and spinach with onion and scotch bonnet. You can get the white mushroom from any of the supermarkets, and this particular one I bought it from a Turkish store, and it has 3 different type of wild mushroom. You can see the white one, the other one, and anyway, it's my first time buying this white mushroom, and I thought I should make a lovely dish from it. So after washing it, allow the mushroom to drain so that the water can come out. Then prepare a tray with a baking paper or with your foil so that you line the surface of your baking pan or baking tray, I mean. Then transfer the mushroom onto the tray, and then it's time for us to bake this lovely mushroom in the oven. We'll be baking it for just about 8 to 10 minutes at 150 degrees so that the water can come out, and also to allow the mushroom to have a nice texture. We'll be using hot water to blanch our spinach leaves so that they shrink in size, and also to preserve the greenness of these beautiful spinach leaves. So after using your hot water, don't let it stay for long. I just stirred the leaves and then pack them out after I noticed that they've really shrunk. And yeah, so now we just pack them out. They are ready. If you let it stay longer, it will overcook your spinach leaves, and you don't want that. So now pack them out and let them drain. Also, it is good to pass it through cold running water so that it stops the cooking process. Now we have our spinach. We'll be using coconut oil in this recipe, and I used 2 spoons of coconut oil, added the chopped onion with the scotch bonnet. I didn't want the scotch bonnet to be too spicy, so I didn't cut it into smaller chunks. Rather, I slice it into a bigger chunk, and on medium heat fry it together with the onion. Yeah, I forgot the remaining scotch bonnet. Yeah, so now I'll fry them all together on low heat. You can see the oil is frying slowly. If the heat is too high, it will make you to sneeze because the scotch bonnet is in the oil already. So just allow this to, just keep stirring this so that one part of your onion doesn't get burnt. I'll be doing this for like a few minutes. Now press your garlic and add it to the mix. If you do not have a garlic presser, you can chop the garlic at the beginning and add it before adding the onion, so that the fragrance, the aroma can come out very well into the food. I didn't add at the beginning because I knew I was going to be pressing it. So keep mixing, and 8 minutes it's time for us to add this. You see, after bringing the mushroom out from the oven, it looks like a grilled chicken. Now add it to this beautiful onion and pepper mix, and be prepared to keep stirring again for another 2 minutes. So just keep stirring this to allow the onion to infuse well with the mushroom that we already grilled in the oven. It's not necessary for you to grill the mushroom in the oven. But I noticed that when you grill the mushroom in the oven, you get a nice texture that becomes slightly chewy, and it's really lovely. It's just like eating chicken, like eating pulled chicken. So now we'll add spinach And at this stage we will only just also stir fry again for another 2 minutes. This is just to allow the three combination to mix very well, and during that process we will just season our mix with salt and little of our Cajun seasoning. So we are going to keep stirring this mixture for like 2 to 3 minutes, 2 minutes. And at this stage it's essential to add whatever seasoning you would like to use. Here I'm going to be using just salt and Cajun seasoning. You can see that it's even ready. It's just pour this beside your dish. So let me know in the comment section what you're going to be eating this delicious looking wild mushroom spinach mix with. I already prepared rice, so I'm going to be pouring it beside my rice, and yum yum yum. Scoop everything down. See, it's ready. So it's important not to overcook it at this stage. So I'm going to be adding salt, season with salt, and also I'll be using Cajun seasoning, just few pinch of Cajun seasoning. I use the tip of knife to pick just few of them and splash on my food and mix together. Because of the good amount of onion we used to fry this mushroom and spinach, we do not really need too much of seasoning, because the aroma coming out from this pot, it's enough for you to swallow your food without even pouring the spinach, wild mushroom onto your plate. Thanks.